Hello and welcome back. My name is Josh and this video is not financial advice. In today's video, we'll be talking about an amazing airdrop opportunity, around $100 worth of DCX tokens for all of you who do participate. Now, these DCX tokens are the native tokens for the D ecosystem. This is a hard fork of Ethereum and they're a proof of stake blockchain. A lot of super exciting stuff coming with the D ecosystem. So I think that this airdrop opportunity is a huge one and you should participate. Anywho, let's go ahead and hop into the video and see what's going on. So here we have D ecosystem. Their token ticker is DCX and their blockchain they're dubbing DChain. Now with this blockchain, again, they are secure and scalable, a fork of Ethereum, and they are going to be hosting all sorts of D apps, NFTs, NFT games, etc. Now the big news upcoming is this huge airdrop right here. To get involved with this airdrop, you're going to go ahead and head to the airdrop link that can be found right there on their website, or you can also find it in the description box. You're gonna be met with this little logo that you can highlight if you like, and now you're gonna go ahead and connect your MetaMask wallet. It's going to ask you if you want to add their network, DChain mainnet, again their token ticker being DCX, and we will go ahead and approve and switch network. So you're going to want to go ahead and follow each one of these requirements. So as you go through and go ahead and do each one of these requirements, you will see your eligibility meter fill up, and now you have entered into this awesome airdrop to earn yourself some DCX coins. Now with this airdrop, they are doing over 260,000 DCX coins as an airdrop. It's going to be about $100 per user. And for those of you who are around back when Chainlink did their initial airdrop, some of those airdrop tokens are now worth a ton of money. So besides the fact they are free tokens, they could potentially grow into something very valuable when you consider how legit this project is. So this is D ecosystem, and they are building the DChain, high scalability, low gas fees, fast transactions, and it will be governed by a DAO. So if you are a holder of their token, you are going to have a say so in the direction of the project. Being that they have a DAO, they are a community driven open source blockchain protocol. So people are going to be able to build on their blockchain. You can go ahead and hit build now if you want to learn more about that. DChain's smart contract technology is designed to be fast, efficient, and secure, making it an ideal platform for building decentralized applications. DChain's also going to be offering a range of innovative features and benefits. It is a hard fork of Ethereum, as we mentioned before, and it uses the proof of stake consensus algorithm, which makes it more energy efficient and faster than other blockchains. And we have here connect, grow your network and most other builders on D ecosystem by joining their open source organization and open source protocol. So we have here the most adopted scalable technology. They have their mainnet, their testnet, as well as validators. So if you want to go ahead and become a validator, that is an option for you. Now with their mainnet, the live and operational version of DChain, this is going to be the network that users and developers interact with to conduct transactions and build different D apps. Testnet's obviously where you're going to go ahead and test different potential D apps that you may be building or trying out. So at the top of their website under solutions, you do have their blockchain as well as wallet. You also have gateway to different DApp and DeFi features. They are going to be having iOS and Android apps coming soon. Right now it is a extension for your computer. Now under developers, if you are someone who is interested in building a DApp, they have their DApp application kit as well as a technical white paper if you want to read through any of the nitty-gritty details about the blockchain itself or how to build on the blockchain. Obviously, I would highly recommend you guys go ahead and follow them on their Discord, Telegram, etc. Besides the fact that it is a requirement for this awesome airdrop, it is also just a place where you can keep up to date on this project because there is some major news incoming. And also, if you want to read their white paper, that can be found up here at resources. They have their light paper, which was their original, and their more official white paper. They also have more information about their DAO up here. And finally, the DCX airdrop. You can hit receive airdrop. You also can go ahead and purchase any of these DCX coins through an IDO. So with this airdrop, you're getting the chance at some free tokens. So I think it is a huge benefit. And you can see also on their front page what their app is going to be looking like. The UI looks sleek and nice. And for me, this is one of those projects that I think is going to make big waves, especially coming into this upcoming bull run. As far as their roadmap, we are currently in 2023. So if they're Q1, they're already making big moves. We have the launch of their testnet and mainnet blockchain, the launch of testnet and mainnet explorer. We have airdrop module, which we have talked about before, the ability to track your progress on that airdrop to earn yourself some free tokens. And they're also going to have a launch of their very own launchpad. Now Q2, this is when they're going to do all their auditing and launch of their decentralized exchange, their bridge in the NFT marketplace. For me, once this bridge is complete, that is going to be the icing on the cake, because any of you out there that are on different blockchains, you're going to go ahead and bridge on over and be able to potentially get involved in any early staking pools that are going to be hosted on this blockchain. Now, I haven't seen anything as of yet about staking pools, but usually when these new blockchains do have different staking options, that first month is where you get the absolute highest amount of rewards. So it's just something to look out for. Q3, we have the launch of DP2P. In Q4, they want to have a D messenger. I'm assuming that's gonna be like private messenger from your wallet to somebody else, which to me is a pretty cool feature. As far as their coinomics or tokenomics, we have 33% for the public sales, 22% for the ecosystem itself, 4.3% for advisors, 15.7% for early founders, 10% for the team, 5% for the foundation, and 10% for staking rewards. Now at the bottom of their website, they do have a few different news article, blog type posts if you want to read more. We have the overview of the D ecosystem, which we'll be reading through. We also have the D wallet, the ideal choice for novice and professional blockchain users, and unlock the power of blockchain, how to earn DCX coin with this ecosystem airdrop module. So let's go ahead and read through this D ecosystem, learn a little bit more about the project as a whole. So now we are over on their Medium. Go ahead and give them a follow on Medium as well. This was posted March 16th, the overview of the D ecosystem. So here's the introduction talking all about the blockchain in general, and right below it is the important stuff. This is where D ecosystem is going to separate themselves from the rest of the pack. So with D ecosystem, this is an open source, real decentralized blockchain world, hosting an all-in-one inclusive ecosystem connecting to the Web3 world and governed by a decentralized autonomous organization, or DAO. That's what we mentioned before, that this is all going to be operating with a DAO, which I personally am a big fan of. DChain itself is an open source blockchain featuring virtual machine that enables businesses of all sizes to implement smart contracts. The code that they're using in the DChain contract is written using a low-level stack-based bytecode language, also known as DChain virtual machine learning, DVM, much like we see with Ethereum machine learning or EVM. So the code execution is an endless loop consisting of repeating operations at the current program count, which starts with 0. Although DChain's blockchain is very similar to Bitcoin, DChain is different from Bitcoin in terms of its blockchain architecture. DChain blocks have a copy both of the transaction list as well as the most recent state. The DChain protocol is designed to be an enhanced version of cryptocurrency by providing advanced features like on-blockchain withdrawal limits, on-blockchain escrow, and financial contracts. The most promising aspect of DChain is the ability to move beyond currency, instead being a closed-ended protocol that can only be used for one purpose, such as data storage, gambling, finance. DChain is designed to be open-ended and will serve as a foundation layer for many other financial and non-financial protocols for the upcoming years. So within their ecosystem, they're going to have their very own D wallet. We mentioned before about how that's going to be on iOS and Android in the near future. The D swap, which is going to be their decentralized exchange. And we also have D NFT, which is going to be a user-friendly decentralized launchpad where users can mint, buy, sell, bid, and transfer NFTs with ease ease as well as with low costs. So we have the DChain coin that we've talked about before. This is part of the airdrop, the token ticker being DCX, and this is the native token for the D ecosystem, and it is the main internal cryptocurrency fuel of the DChain. So it will serve two purposes. One, a primary liquidity layer that allows for efficient exchange of various digital assets within their blockchain, and we also have it for allow as payment for transaction fees. Much like you see with ETH on Ethereum, DCX is going to be used as their transaction fees as well. They do have a coin allocation vesting schedule that can be read more upon here, so you do know that any of the people from the public sale or advisors, they are getting a slow gradual release instead of all their tokens at once, which you see a lot in particular on the Binance Smart Chain. Now when projects do give all their pre-sale tokens all at once, it can be very disastrous within that first couple days because too many people are trying to take profits. So I do like to see that D ecosystem is doing a vesting schedule for all those early investors. So they have their airdrop here, so if you want to go ahead and get involved with that, I would highly recommend that you do so. They also have their IDO incoming as well, so if you want to try to get involved with that, the best way to do that is to follow them on, again, their Medium, their Twitter, follow all their social medias. Make sure you stay up to date for all those upcoming details. So that about wraps it up for this video all about D ecosystem and their amazing airdrop opportunity. I highly recommend you guys all check it out. As always, these videos are not considered financial advice. Please always do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrencies, because of course I'm not a financial advisor. Anywho, that is all I have for you guys. Go ahead and check out the description box below for all those links, and I'll see you later. Bye.